Hey everyone, so I started stuff again. I just did the Vera Bradley ID pouch video. And now I'm going to do a review on the Medium Cosmetic. There's the tag. And I just got this today for my birthday. Kind of early because my birthday is July 12th. But got it early. There's the pattern, and this is in Happy Snails, if I didn't say that. And there's sides, and it does have this little hole thingy, like you can hold it. And then there's the Vera Bradley tag. And when you open it, it has the plastic, so when you spill makeup or anything, it does not mess up the bag. Which is really cool. I do have one in Safari Sunset as well. But I'm going to do this just so you can see the inside pattern better. Here, I just, that is the frill pattern. So someone did request this, and I wanted to do a video just because I got this. And this retails for about $22, I think. Yeah, 22 or 25 or something like that. This isn't my usual pattern, but I do have my laptop case. I will show you. This is my laptop case and Happy Snails as well. I guess I'll do a review. I'll do a review right after this. So comment, rate, and subscribe.